Alright, so here we have a 1994 GMC Suburban. We're on the rear end. This is the sway bar for the rear end. We're going to be replacing the sway bar link pins, or link bar, however you want to say it, for the rear sway bar. Alright, so I have a 15 millimeter wrench and a 15 millimeter socket. We'll go ahead and remove our nut and bolt here. Alright, so here we have our new sway bar link that we got from Auto Parts Direct to You. Alright, so what we have to do is assemble it with our bushing. So we're going to have 4 of these style. We'll go ahead and press it in one side and press it in the other side. Alright, so then we can, these are our spacers. Go ahead and, you can also lube these up too if you, which we might do. Alright, so we got our bottoms in. We'll go ahead and put our other ones in too. Alright, so now we have both pushed in. Just going to go ahead and spray a little WD-40, some kind of lubricant, just so we can slide our centers in. If you had a press, this would be the, something you could use. Oh man, that is hard, huh? You're just kind of making sure that we're center. We have the same gapping. Just have to. All right. We'll go ahead and put this in the car now. Okay, so we'll go ahead and place it back in its spot. All right, so now we'll go ahead and do the other side. We'll remove our bolts. All right, ready? Yeah. All right, so now we'll go ahead and put our link back in on the other side. All right, so now we have our rear sway bar links installed. We'll go ahead and take it for a test drive.